It's the same concept as the smaller unit that we did earlier. The good thing about our bigger upright units is that it has an interchangeable mechanism, so we can do corner units as well. With a simple switch of the bars, we can easily have this installed into a corner, inserted one way, stopped by the bar, and pulled out the other side. So you would have a table here and a table there. Or have the traditional style of putting it in one way and pulling it out from the other side. Just like the last dishwasher, our smaller unit also has removable plates. These plates should be washed and cleaned every single night at the end of service. And in the middle of service, if you're a busy restaurant doing over 200, 300 covers per night, our heating element sits inside. So be very careful when you're cleaning the system itself. So this is our drain plug. Once you pull it, water will start draining. And another filtration system that should also be cleaned on a daily basis. And will also drain from there. All these internal components should be descaled at least once a month, depending on volume of the restaurant, to maintain safety and cleaning standards. And to also should be included in your monthly cleaning list for each restaurant. Now we can get into the priming phase. So this is a good phase to do when you just get your units, or if you have a deep cleaning of your units and you're cleaning the detergent lines. It's also a great time to do the priming phase. So once the unit fills, you want to turn the unit off, and it's in a standby phase, and you can start your priming. 1, 3, and 5. This is your detergent fill, DT. So then 1, 3, and 4 will be for your polishing detergent. And this cycle will bring the detergent through your lines into your machine. If they are brand new lines, this is a great process. Instead of running multiple cycles, saving water, directly into your machine. These control panels work the same way as our smaller units. The only difference between this dishwasher and the smaller unit is that once you turn the machine on and set the programming, all you have to do is close it and it starts automatically. Whereas the other one, you have to press the button manually each time you want to wash. For the upright units of our dishwashers, we always recommend to make sure that the crevice is clean, as food particles can be caught in here. And also on a bi-weekly to monthly basis to clean your pistons and to re-grease them with WD-40 only, not grease, as it is not food safe. When the arm is going up and down, it'll be easier for your dishwasher or yourself to operate the machine, and the stress will be taken away from the bolt that can be breaking and go throughout the whole arm with the whole stress. The harder it is to go up and down, the more stress you're putting on the bolt itself, and this bolt can snap, leaving you with no more dishwasher. For any more questions, comments, or inquiries, please give us a call at 1-800-465-0234 or reach out at our website, omcan.com.